Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the filtering data using Excel VBA. So there are mainly three steps for filtering data in Excel using the VBA. The first step is to make a selection, and the second step you can put the filter on by saying selected.autofilter, and the third step you have to specify the column number and the condition in that column you want to filter about. Okay, so we will speak about this with an example. So in the data sheet I have a table which is having employee number, employee name, region, department, basic, and allowance. Okay, so when I specify here the column either region or department, and when I specify here my criteria, and once I click the filter data, it should show me the column based criteria I have selected. For example, here it should show region north people while I click the filter data button. So if I click the clear filter button, it should clear all the filtering applied to this table. That's what is our target. So for doing that, I'm switching to my Visual Basic editor. You can see I already made a sub here called filter data, and inside that sub I have made a worksheet variable, and I set the worksheet variable to data sheet, and I have two variables here, L row and L column, for finding the last row and finding the last column. So you can see here I have found the last row here and I have found the last column here. Okay, so now I have to make a selection first as per the instruction we have learned, or as per the steps we have learned. So I'm saying like ws dot range of cells of 4,1. 4,1 means what? The fourth column, first cell, that is this cell, comma, cells of L row, comma, L column. That means the cell in the last row, last column, which is the last cell in this table. Okay, and I'm saying like dot select. Okay, then I made the selection and I'm saying like selection dot auto filter. Okay, so I activate the filter. Now we have to say the criteria, column number and the criteria. So I'm saying like ws dot range of this range dot auto filter. Then I'm saying like field colon equals, here region is the column selected, so the field number is 3 because region is the third column, comma, criteria 1 colon equals what? North. So north is in the cell D2. So I'm saying like criteria 1 is equal to ws dot range of D2. Okay, so there you go, I'm done. Correct. So I'm coming back to my Excel. I'll right click, assign macro, and I assign the macro. Then here region north is selected, and when I click filter data, there you go. So the region north is now filtered. So I will clear all the filter. Then I will choose region east, filter data. So it is giving me the east details. So the filter is working. But you can see if I change the region to department, it will trigger an error because we have manually set here field number 3, which is region column. Correct? Okay. So we have to choose the column number based on what the column we select here, right? So for that we will place an if here. So I'm saying like if the column is like ws dot range of D2 equal to department, then I will declare a variable for storing the column number, dim call number as integer. Then I'm saying like department is if that range is equal to department, then call number is equal to 2. Sorry, 1 2 3 4. Otherwise, else call number is equal to 3. And I'm saying end if. And instead of manually specifying the column number here, I'm just giving call number. Correct? And criteria remains the same. Now if I choose department and purchase, and if I click filter, it gives me department purchase. So if I choose region and west filter, it gives me region west. So that's how it works. Now we have to handle the clear filter. So we will write a sub for the clear filter. So I'll go back to Visual Basic, and here I will make another sub clean filter. Then inside that I will say like sheets of data, which is a data sheet, dot show all data. This is for clearing the filter. So I'll come back, assign the macro to clean filter. Okay, so now I can filter the data, clean the filter. There you go. Target achieved. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.